Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back in with another grocery haul. Ditto. And today, before I get started, I guess I might well say, how y'all doing? Hope everybody doing well. Hope y'all getting stocked up and prepared, situated, organized with your pantries, your storage closets, rooms, wherever you store your pantry items. Okay, well, as you can see, I'm sharing with you some of my grocery haul products that I'm storing in the pantry. I got spaghetti seasoning mix, I got brown gravy mix, I got white chicken chili mix, and I got French's chili O. 3 McCormick's and 1 French's chili O. Oh yes, chili O. Wait, it's a glare on the chili O. Hold up. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. And like I told y'all, I had bought chips and stuff, and I got my peanuts. This is just a small section of snacks that are for the pantry area. Snacks, chips and peanuts and crackers and the cookies and cakes and pies I told y'all I was gonna make from scratch. I'm just getting stuff that I don't make from scratch. Potato chips, Doritos, peanuts and stuff like that. But cookies, cakes and pies, I can cook that from scratch. Okay, I got me this delicious McCormick thick and zesty spaghetti sauce, because I do love the flavor in this seasoning mix. It's very delicious. If you had it, let me know in the comments. Share, share, share. And these are the types of things that I like to stock up on. I was completely out of all that you see up on this stove. I only purchase and restock what I'm out of, and that includes my seasonings and some snacks. Now, stuff like milk and eggs, that's regular, basic stock up stuff, because you know you run out of eggs and milk and stuff frequently like that for us that eat eggs and milk and stuff like that. But this the kind of stuff I like to stock up on. My gravy seasoning packs, and I got, what is it, gluten-free, because I'm thinking that flour be kind of bothering me. Everything bothers me. Let me not kid myself. So I gotta watch how and much and when I eat this type of stuff. So I do got I like my brown gravy mix, and it's by McCormick, as you can see. And these are the 0.88 ounce bag packages. The spaghetti is, wait a minute, let me take it out. The spaghetti one is 1.37 ounce packages. Okay, a little bit more in there than the brown gravy mix packages. Okay, also I got the McCormick white chicken chili. Yum, I like it. And they are where is it 1.25 ounce, the white chicken chili packages. And I also got the chili-o. Yes, good seasoning. You can put this in, season up your meat, any kind of meat you want to use this on. No MSG. That's why I like the stuff that don't got the MSG in here. I don't want that MSG stuff, because that's bothersome. That give me the headache. I like the Sazon, but I have to get the Sazon that don't have that MSG in it. That's why I noticed I was using the one with the MSG, and I kept getting a headache, and I couldn't figure it out. Now I know why I got that MSG in there. I can't use it. Like, shoot, to get rid of it, I have to use probably a pinch of it, just so it don't bother me, because I'm not going to throw them away. I'm going to use them, but I just got to use a little bit of it. I mean a little bit, because you know the packages ain't that much in there no way. So, hey, but yeah, these type of things I stock up on. I need some taco seasoning packs. And I do like chicken gravy too. Oh, make your own. Yeah, I can make my own, but I like convenience too. The little packages are convenience, and they do have a lot of flavor to season up your food. You know, if you want more of a potent flavor of season, these little packets can help. Also, y'all, I think I shared the peanuts, but the potato chips, it's more potato chips. This is just the Lay's Kettle Mystique Barbecue and the Ruffles. What is that? Queso? I guess that's cheese in there. I guess queso means cheese, huh? I don't know. It maybe it do. And it's some Doritos. It's more flavor. This is just all I'm setting up here to share with y'all. I haven't gotten to my, well, I did remove some items out of my closet haul pantry area, which I got to go back in there and still remove a bunch of stuff because I'm decluttering and I'm reorganizing some things in that closet to store. So yep, I made it from one pantry area. I decluttered, disposed of the stuff that was spoiled. It's all replaced with new food. I don't know how I did it, little by little. That's how I did it, because I told y'all 2 cans eventually will turn into, well, 3 cans eventually, if you get 3 more, gonna turn into a half a case. Or a case, 8 cans is a case or something. So I did pick up me some string beans, not up here. I'll share that in another video, because I was completely out of string beans. Completely out of string beans. I can't even believe that myself. I have plenty corn and peas and carrots, but I was out of string beans, and I love me some canned string beans. The fresh ones are good. I got some in the freezer now, but I do love the convenience of opening up those canned string beans. So if y'all got these like seasoning packs, let me know in the comments. Share, you know, if you stock up on seasoning packs, and if you tried any new seasoning packs that don't got MSG or any of these things that might upset your stomach. If you are gluten-free, MSG free products, share it in the comments. It's all good, but I just wanted to come through, make my little video, share with y'all that I'm still organizing, decluttering, cleaning out the pantry, rotating. All that good stuff is going on, and I am continuing to cook for my pantry so that nothing gets wasted this time around. I'm telling y'all, cook your stuff in the pantry. Don't let it just sit there and look pretty. Eat it. On that note, I'm out, and hope y'all enjoyed this updated pantry goings-ons and what's happening. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.